Good morning, everybody. I'm drinking my water, clear my throat up this morning. But good morning. I have big news today. Today we're not doing a showdown. FxBigDog couldn't make it, so instead for today, I'm gonna give you guys a free live session of me going in and scalping the market, looking for trade opportunities. And you're going to get to see how I use my strategy that I implement in the VIP sessions in the Starter Pro bundle membership that we provide. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I go ahead and scalp these and look for my 20 pip targets in these 5 pairs that we trade in the VIP session every morning. We do these VIP sessions every morning with my VIP members. I go in and I do live trades. So you're going to get that experience. And if you like it, then go ahead and be a part of the VIP and you can get access to the live sessions and all our trade signals as well. As you can see, this is the VIP signals right here, and you can see the returns we're doing just alone in the VIP sessions. We're already over 15% this month. Looking to go ahead and cap that out with some good returns. And you can also get signals to our exclusive Pip Hunter. Okay, so yes, signals to our Pip Hunter returns here. So you'll get access to these signals as well in our Discord. When you become a VIP member, you get access to our Discord where you can chat with the members and myself and see all the signals we include. So there it is, guys. You're going to get this VIP live experience. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at these 5 pairs and see what opportunities we have. Now, I am already holding the CAD Swiss. So the CAD Swiss is one pair that we're holding. We're about break even right now, just one position in. A lot of consolidation. So we haven't got much movement on the CAD Swiss. Excuse me. So, good morning there, Hector, Brian, David. I see you guys in the chat. Good morning. A few of them are already VIP members, so they know the deal. They know the procedure that we're about to take here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what pairs we can trade. So one of the pairs we trade is the Aussie CAD. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look what we have here in the Aussie CAD. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. So first thing is, I notice here in the 1 hour we have this resistance trend line right here. Okay, so we do have this bearish trend on the Aussie CAD, and we did have a lot of support here as well as price came down here and tested the support, and we can see that price definitely bounced off the support here. It came back to test this resistance. So now first thing we see here is, okay, do we have some highs and lows creating higher lows or higher highs, or lower highs and lower lows? So we got price breaking through this. As you can see, we had some support right here. Resistance. We had resistance up top here, and then the support at the below here. And price broke through this resistance, which was this last high here where it broke through. So we got this last high created right here. Now we're just having a pullback here. As you can see, let's look at this pullback. So we're definitely showing some positive divergence here on the MACD here, as I'm seeing some bearish momentum slowing down as price is still dipping. So we're expecting a turnaround here. Same thing on the oscillator as well on the 1 hour. So we're expecting some bullish range here. I'm gonna go to the lower time frame. So we already got this positive divergence form here on the oscillator. And price kind of shot right over here to the overbought position now. So we're kind of in an overbought position here. So we have a different outlook here on the 1 hour and the 50-minute time frame. The 1 hour is showing us that we're going to get a nice little rally here on the Aussie CAD. 50-minute time frame shows us that right now we kind of just had price bump up to our overbought position. So now we got here on the 1 hour, we do have some lower highs creating. Okay. And I use my MACD to go ahead and find my valid highs and my valid lows. Okay, so here's some lows. So we got some higher lows, lower lows and lower highs forming. All right, so we just looking for the reversal here as in the 1 hour showing that we're going to go bullish. So we're looking for that reversal, and what we need is price to come out and take out this last high, okay, before we get any reversal. So what direction are we looking to get in here? Okay, we already got price breaking through this trend line, so it's definitely showing some bearish. We could get a pullback here. So we definitely got a bearish move here. There's a lot of room to the downside here. Okay, as you can see, here's the last low right here. Price will need to come and take out this low eventually. But as we're showing positive divergence in the 1 hour, we might be getting a pullback here before we get price to come back down, dip, take out this low. So we definitely got to look for that pullback here as we're seeing some positive divergence on the 1 hour, but we're not seeing on the lower time frame. Okay, even if I go to the 5-minute time frame, we're still seeing a little just a bearish trend here, price moving down. So you can even see your price is actually creating lower lows. Lower highs as we're getting a higher higher on the higher time frame, a lower time frame. So going back to the 50-minute time frame, it's very choppy here on the Aussie CAD. I'm not big on trading pairs like this. We could expect price to go ahead and dip further back down before it moves back up. But what we're looking for price to dip back down to is obviously this highs right here. Okay, we have these two highs where price broke out support, resistance, sorry. And we have this testing right now. So we can get a pullback as price comes back down here to test this range. We can get a pullback before it wants to continue back down. So how much is my 20 pips pullback here? Coming back close to this low right here is my pullback. This pullback is very, very. Cameron, can you make the charts the main screen? I'm sorry. Thank you for telling me that. I had it. This is what happens when you run it in the show by yourself. You don't have your guy out here doing this for you. Appreciate you for letting me know there, Brian. I thought I already had switched there. Cameron, resize the screen on your camera. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Thank you for letting me know. So that'll be a lot better for you to see, right? All right. Thank you guys for letting me know there. They want to go through this whole video, you guys not being able to see. That's funny. All right, so back to where we were. So we're expecting price to keep dipping here. Obviously, the Aussie CAD, we're moving bearish now. Low time frame, we're moving bearish. But the higher time frame here, is we've broke through this high, price is coming back down. We're expecting price to come back down to this level of supply. Okay, we want price to come back down to this level of supply. So we're expecting a bearish move here. But now we are seeing opposite directions on these high time frames and low time frames, and that's where we're getting the misplacement here. So I'm gonna hold off here the Aussie CAD. I'm gonna let this kind of play out. I'm expecting this to go ahead and pull back a little bit. I'm expecting a little pullback here before we get a dip. Don't know how much the pullback's gonna be. Could be 20 pips, could not be 20 pips. So looking at the 20 pips, 20 pips is just before this high. And what happens is just at this high, and what happens is we're creating these lower highs. So we're not expecting price to go ahead, come back to these highs until we break through the last previous low high. So I'm going to go ahead and skip the Aussie CAD for right now. We're going to just take a look at these other pairs. I'm sure there's better opportunities that we can have, and we can come back to the Aussie CAD. I do that a lot in my VIP sessions. So you're on the what's this? The Euro USD. Okay, the Euro USD. Let's take a look at the Euro USD. Go into the 1 hour. So price obviously it rallied a lot on the Euro USD, and now we having this dip back down. We could definitely have look at this. We're definitely creating some positive divergence as well here on the Euro USD. So we're expecting the Euro USD to move back up. Looks like we kind of had this 3-wave move here. 5-wave impulsive move here. Okay. So if this is a 5-wave impulsive move, this could be the 4th wave that price wanted to come back to take out after the 5th wave. And now we could look for price to go ahead and continue north. Obviously, we already got price already moved up from this point here. It's moved up pretty much about 30 pips or so. So we already had a good move, bullish move here as price already came and took out this support right here. So we do have some positive divergence on the 1 hour, and yeah, we're getting on the 50-minute time frame. It's showing us that we're gonna have a dip before it rallies here, because look at this. We're already in this overbought position. Already came back down to test the support. So let me go ahead and remove this here. Move a couple things here. So the 1 hour, you can see, look at the highs. Create lower highs already. Came out here, took this low. This is the previous low. And it's actually showing the support right at that low. So we do have support right at this low, and price is already creating a lower highs. So let me go ahead and zoom in here. So here's the low high here that's formed from here. Okay, so as you can see, price is already starting to create some lower highs, but we did have this support right here from this last low here, and we're showing some positive divergence. Okay, so it looks like price is gonna go ahead and take out this high here. If we're getting some bullish momentum here, we will take out this high from there. So I'm expecting to go bullish. We could have a pullback here. We could definitely have a pullback here, but we're expecting price to go ahead and take out this last high here. This is a key last high right here. Price to go ahead and take out. From this low here, it's about 47 pips from this low right here. These setups are very iffy today. A lot of different directions here on these different time frames. Sorry, let me take a sip of water there, guys. All right, so the euro, we're expecting it to go bearish here. So if we take a look at the USD CAD, I like to go opposite directions here on the USD CAD. USD CAD is sitting at so if we're expecting to go bearish here, we're expecting this USD CAD to go bullish. But look at this, the USD CAD. USD CAD is at support and resistance right now. This is all we have. We have a range bound of support and resistance. Prices sitting at resistance. We're getting some negative feedback here on the divergence as it's flat right here. We have oscillator showing lower highs. So we're getting some exaggerated negative divergence. So this is already looking like a sell here on the a lot of consolidation over here as well, as price took out this high right here. We're expecting price to come back down. So USD CAD, we're gonna go ahead and sell here. USD CAD, we're expecting 20 pip pull down here. So price needs to come back to this last high here. And then we're going to be closing out the USD CAD. So the USD CAD is just a bunch of consolidation right now. And that's because we have this last high breaking up for testing this resistance as well. So there's a lot of consolidation up here. So we're expecting price to go ahead and dip back down here at this support, at this resistance as well that we're at here, okay? So you can see here's a range bound support and resistance. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete this. Go ahead and move this here. There it is. We can now make this red, show that's some supply right there. And Yeah, the 1 hour is showing me some negative divergence. The 1 hour is showing me different directions and momentum than the 50-minute time frame. So on the 50-minute time frame, it's just a bunch of consolidation. But if we're expecting a dip in the euro, yeah, look at this. The euro is showing us positive divergence. Okay. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and sell. Oh, okay. We're gonna sell the USD CAD. We're gonna go bearish on the USD CAD. Go ahead and put here on the Telegram link for you guys. So bearish on the USD CAD and long on the euro. Now, as you can see, I'm using the Pip Hunter. I'm gonna turn those notifications off there. I am using the Pip Hunter tool. Okay. So as you can see, it's placing these trades here by just a click of a button, by buying and selling here. This is the Pip Hunter tool that you'll get access as well. Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the Telegram link signals as well, so you can get those signals. Um, you'll get the signals there in our Traders Network Club Telegram. Okay. So those signals are in our Traders Network Club Telegram. You can also find that in the description below of this video. So you also get access to this tool and a Starter Pro bundle. So not only get the live sessions, the Discord, and all the signals, but you also get the tool as well to go ahead and place these trades. Okay. So there it is for the euro and the euro USD and the USD CAD. Okay. So CAD Swiss. Now CAD Swiss, we're already in the CAD Swiss, and we're short on the CAD Swiss. So let's see if there's still opportunities to get short here on the US CAD Swiss. Sorry. So we're at this close to our supply zone right here. I'm gonna go ahead and make this red. So you can see this is a supply zone with demand. So this is a support and resistance. We had some liquidity drop down here under our support as we broke through support. We had some liquidity grab. We're sitting here at our range of resistance. Price is showing some negative divergence. This is definitely another signal to go get bearish. To go bearish here. So to go short on the CAD Swiss is definitely still available here. Still a good setup to go short here on the CAD Swiss. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in here and sell here the CAD Swiss. As we're already short, as you can see, we're already short, and we're just basically one pip break even. So we're basically getting at the same price here that we're already at. Okay. So you can see here that we're getting this negative divergence here on the oscillator and the MACD. Price is flat here at these highs. We're at our resistance, our supply zone. So we're expecting price to go ahead and dip back to support here. And this is the 1 hour. If we look at the 50-minute time frame, you can see a lot of choppiness. Okay, a lot of choppiness here, and we're definitely showing some negative divergence as well right here as price is moving up here. So we look, price is already starting to dip a lot here. We're expecting the CAD Swiss to dip here. So getting in a sell position is the go, is the move here on the CAD Swiss. Let's take a look at the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. Okay, I got some alerts here. We have some. Let me go ahead and throw some. So here we go. So here we go at this previous supply zone. Now we broke through supply. We broke through resistance. That supply zone has created some demand. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just change this to green. So now we can see that we are sitting at demand there now. Let's go ahead and remove these alerts here that I have. Come on now. All right, so there it is. I think I had this. Okay, so New Zealand CAD. This is the one of the last pairs that we take a look at. As we already take a look at the Euro USD, the USD CAD, the CAD Swiss, we got in those pairs. We're still holding off the Aussie CAD, but now we're taking a look at the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. Let me go ahead and put the supply up top here as well. Okay. And then I like to put a mid-range here where some liquidity is, where we get this liquidity retest here. It's like mid-range. As you can see, when price goes crazies, these crowns here. So we get this mid-range where price comes back to retest. Now we're sitting there right now at this mid-range. Are we going to get this pullback like we see here? Okay. Are we going to get this pullback? It's already kind of pulled back already right here. So it's a pretty good amount of pullback there. But are we going to get price to continue to go back up or continue to come back down? That's the question we're looking for here. Okay, the answer we're looking for. So let's go look. This is the 50-minute time frame. Okay, this is the 50-minute time frame. So it's showing me not a lot right now. It's definitely showing some resistance, as you can see this big wick right here. Definitely showing some resistance that price is testing this zone here that I have placed. So look at the 1 hour. Price is sitting at an oversold position, but as you can see, we are moving. We're moving close to an overbought. That's where momentum is moving. Let's see here. Let's go. Actually, we need to go to a smaller time frame here to see what's happening in a smaller time frame here. Okay, so first thing is we can see a lot of bullish range as price is creating these higher highs and lows. So we're definitely expecting some bearish correction move here, and it's already dipped pretty far down. If anything, I'm going to wait for price to move back up before we get a correction move here. So as you can see, we do got some negative divergence here. The price is already formed here. I'm going to see if price is going to move up a little more, so we can get in this correction move here. Okay, so we're definitely expecting a correction. As we got these correction moves here, we're definitely expecting this, and I don't know if price is already kind of dipped pretty far down here to go ahead and jump back into this correction move. Looking at the lower time frame here, 20 pips is about coming all the way back down to close to our support here to go ahead and trade 20 pips. Going south here, and going north is about almost close to the resistance as well. So this is another position that we're at here. Where's this low? This is the low right here that price broke through. So we could have price come back to this low like it is at now to test it and come back down. We do got some negative divergence here on this time frame. I'd like to see price to go ahead and dip a little. Sorry, not dip, but just move up a little bit before we go ahead and take this correction move. Brian says we got some news on the USD coming at 10 o'clock. And that is coming up very shortly here. So let's take a look at the Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at the Aussie CAD again here. And as we're forming these highs, price is showing a lot of support here at these lows. So let's see how much pips we kind of missed this opportunity. Yep, definitely missed this opportunity at these lows. If we're expecting price to come back down to this low, then I'm gonna wait. That's about 8 pips. So the Aussie CAD, we're gonna wait for the Aussie CAD to get back into this zone of support here, and then we're going to look to go ahead and buy, waiting for that setup to form. So as you can see, we're waiting for price to come back to support to see if there's any breakthrough here as well as support. If we're breaking through support, showing us that we're going more bearish, then that's going to be a different setup that we're looking for. But as of right now, if we can come and test the support, we're showing that we're forming higher highs here. So we're looking to go ahead and take place to come and target these highs right here. Okay. So the buy on the Aussie CAD is what we're looking for, but we got to be patient here on the Aussie CAD. Okay. Got to be patient, and we're looking for a buy. So I'm going to go ahead and hold off that. You guys got the signals, so if layer comes down where I take the setup, take the trade, you guys will be alerted with those signals. So don't gotta worry about that. So, and New Zealand CAD, same thing with New Zealand CAD. I'm expecting this pullback. I'm gonna wait for this pullback, and I'm gonna get in line. I just think it's a little too late to get in this pullback. It's a little tight as prices already moved a pretty decent amount. It's dipped pretty good here, so I think I'm gonna wait for this dip and get in at the lows here and try to go ahead and get long on the New Zealand CAD. So we're gonna go ahead and set an alert as well. I'm gonna set an alert at this, and to be honest, if price comes and takes out this higher, that's showing me that's going to move a lot back down here. So we're going to just wait patiently to see what happens if price goes ahead and breaks below this high, or if it retests this high, then we're expecting it to keep going up. So we're going to wait on the New Zealand CAD as well. Those are two pairs that we're waiting on. But other than that, we're in three, okay, and we're up 5 pips. USD CAD's moving around here. We're down 8 pips, 9 pips right now on the euro, okay, and we're down 5 pips on the CAD Swiss, okay. So not much really on the USD CAD, not much really on the CAD Swiss. Euro's down 5 pips. So I mean, it's just a bunch of consolidation moves right now. And look at that, New Zealand CAD. That's probably 10 o'clock news right there. New Zealand CAD just took a nice little rally right there. And we're looking to and it created the low. There it is. It created this low, so we're looking for this high now to form to take out this high. So New Zealand CAD. With that being said, now seeing this news here, we were supposed to have this pullback correction, but we're expecting to rally up. So we're gonna go buy the New Zealand CAD. Buy New Zealand CAD, you guys. Now that I see the setup, I'm liking that setup a lot better. We could still get a pullback here, but just because I'm seeing these highs and I'm seeing here on the 50-minute time frame, it's starting to want to create negative divergence. But what we need a push here. We need a push here in the New Zealand CAD before we get a dip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm buying on this. If we get this dip, we'll get this back up. We're expecting price to move back to this resistance. Resistance. So we had this 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're expecting this fourth correction move here coming back here. So since we've had price break through this, come back and hit this resistance, we've had a 1, 2, 3, and this is like a fourth correction move here in this range of support and resistance. So that's what we're anticipating. Okay, Aussie CAD make any moves while we're waiting there? Nope. Aussie CAD hasn't done much. Still waiting for the Aussie CAD to go ahead and dip further below. So yeah, we're still waiting for the Aussie CAD to dip here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw an alert, and then we can get in a buy on the Aussie CAD. Okay. So there it is. We're actually down 7 pips down the New Zealand CAD because it's having a little retracement there. We're down, CAD Swiss down 2 pips, down 6 on the euro, and we're up 5 on the USD CAD. So not a lot of movement yet. Okay, 10 o'clock news, little pump and dump. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, guys. So there it is. And I could have actually waited on the New Zealand CAD to retrace a little bit to get at a better price. Sometimes you get too excited and you get in too early. So you could have actually waited for this because we're definitely expecting some pullback here on the New Zealand CAD. There's no doubt about it. We're definitely getting a pullback here. So and there it is. Okay. So there it is for today. Aussie CAD is the only pair we're not in. We're way in the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD to dip a little further down as it's making its moves. And then we can go ahead and see if we can get in the buy position on the Aussie CAD. Okay. So there it is for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this live session, I do this every morning for the VIP members. Same time, 9:30 Eastern time. And if you want to be a part of it, be a part of the community, learn, communicate with us. You can be in touch with a lot of the members and ourselves as well as you're learning a trade. And we all connect in the Discord as well. So if you want to be a part of this community, go ahead and check the Starter Pro membership. Okay, go ahead and check the Starter Pro membership. It's in our website. We'll have the link below as well, I believe. So go ahead and check that if you're interested. It's a lot of good stuff. We're already over 15% of the month. So we do about over 150%, over 200% yearly. So it's great stuff, and you get access to the tool as well as we go ahead and place these trades. These are dollar cost averaging strategies that we implement with this tool, and how we implement this strategy as well. Okay, and we've run this strategy for a while, very very productive. So this is why we go ahead and teach people the strategy. So if you're interested, go ahead and be a part of the VIP member. And I would love to see you guys in the VIP shows. So with all the VIP members out there watching, I'll see you guys Monday. Back to another VIP session starting Monday. But other than that, you guys enjoy the weekend. Take care. Safe trading, guys, and I'll see you guys coming back. And then, sorry, before we do end this, we do have a couple guys saying here, this was great. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, Jim. Brian, VIP member, know Brian very well. Thanks, Cameron. Have a good weekend. See you on Monday. Same with Tyson, man. Can't go wrong with the VI community. Appreciate Tyson. Fantastic group. Appreciate you guys. Jan says thank you. Gary, getting guys, this really works. Appreciate Gary. It's another VIP member. Hector says thank you. Another VIP member. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. You guys, you are in the big screen. Okay, that's from earlier when my chart wasn't showing. All right. Well, yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys Monday. You guys enjoy the weekend. Take care.